Hi there. The Dutch team IQ² launched Kickstarter for what could be the cheapest power meter yet. A power meter is a measuring tool that can be placed on your race or mountain bike. It tells you, through your bike computer or sports app, how much force your legs are producing real-time during your ride. Knowing your power values will help you improve your performance in the short and long term. With a power meter, you can learn how to dose better, increase your distances, outperform yourself or others, and experience even more fun and progress as a race cyclist, mountain biker or triathlete. With IQ², everyone gets to enjoy all power meter advantages combined in one product. It's easy to install and swap between multiple bikes. It is also available in 2 separate units that track left and right leg power independently, so you can see if your legs are performing the way you want. It stays functional on dusty roads, and its waterproof casing protects the technological core from rain and splashing water. You don't have to replace any expensive bicycle parts, as you simply screw our power meter in between the crank arm and pedal. It's compatible with all race and mountain bikes. Power meters are able to measure force because of a strain gauge they contain on the inside. A strain gauge is a miniature device that measures strain on an object or surface. Zoomed in, the strain gauge is placed on the surface of a measurable object. When force is applied, the object bends slightly, which changes the length of the strain gauge. This causes a measurable change in its electrical current, which is then calculated and sent as a power value by the meter. Configuration, setting crank length and calibration, is made possible via a partner app. The app is required to provide left/right power balance data, whilst battery warnings can come via the app and also via LED lights on the unit. Thanks for watching us. Bye.